how are you? Last video I showed you my tent. Here it is. So today I am going to show you my toy. Check it out. This is a bus stop. This is the magazine. This is the laser light. And all of the packets are the bullets. But I am not going to shoot them because they are so small. They can also get lost. Shoot them when I will go to a trip or in a camper site. And let me show you my gun. I will put all of the cases on it. I will first put the bus stop. It's like this. Like this, the bus stop it fits. Now the laser light. The laser light comes here. If I switch this on, see there, here. It's a dot. The magazine, I have to put it like this. Here's a hole. I have to put the magazine here. So friends, I have put one bullet in the magazine. So now I'm going to shoot. See, this is that one. See, like this. That was the bullet. So friends, I'm sure you like my video. So always be happy and rise up. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Bye. I see you soon. Bye.